Today, it's all about the upper body, the connection between the neck, the shoulders, the chest, and the upper back. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. So come on, let's get started. Once you're comfortable in your chair, just taking the shoulders up and back and down, one shoulder at a time. Nice, even breathing. If it feels comfortable, you can move your head from side to side just to release any of the tension you brought with you today. And maybe now taking both shoulders up and back and down. Inhale as we come up, exhale as we roll them down. And shake that out. To begin, taking your hands in front of you, the palms are facing each other, bringing them close to the body, raising your elbows so that you're a little bit below shoulder height. Bringing your hands in front of you, bringing the elbows back and elbows down to your side. So again, lifting, meet in front, elbows back and down to the side. Inhale up and exhale back and down. Again, up, forward, back and down. Once more, up, forward, back and down. Let's take that now a little bit deeper into the shoulders. Taking the arms out to the side, bringing them in front of you in a circular shape, as though you were hugging a tree or a beach ball. Pulling back with the elbows so that the shoulder blades are coming close to each other. I call this kissing the shoulder blades. So arms come out and around, hugging a tree, elbows pull back, kiss your shoulder blades. Inhale as you hug a tree. Exhale, kiss your shoulder blades. Inhale. Exhale. Hug a tree. Kiss the shoulder blades. Again, nice steady breathing. Just feeling the chest opening here and the back opening here as you hug your tree. Opening the chest, opening the back, and coming to stillness. Bringing the arms into cactus arms, bringing the elbows close together, and now wide apart. We call this bellows. Elbows together, elbows back. If they can come back a little bit behind you, that's fine, just to whatever degree your shoulders will allow today. Feel the chest open as the elbows come back, and feel your back open as you touch your elbows together. So just one or two more. Opening the chest, opening the back, and coming to stillness. And release the shoulders by taking them up and back and down, moving your head from side to side and coming to stillness. And that's it. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. Namaste, dear friends.